Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed the last lesson, that is lesson 13, Time to be a Rock. The lesson is about a turtle, a baby turtle. Its name was Toto. So, Toto was a baby turtle. He lived with his father and mother in the pond. One day, Toto felt that it wanted to go out for a walk. His mother permission that I want to go out and see what is there outside the pond. Then mother said that okay beta, you can go, but remember that whatever I have taught you. So remember that whenever you hear the scary sounds, become a rock. You will be safe. Then Toto said that sure mom, I'll do the same. I'll remember your words. And Toto went out from the pond. Very soon, as it was out of the pond in the street, Toto heard a scary sound. Pitter pat, he heard. After hearing the scary sounds, Toto pulled his head into his shell. Now Toto became a rock, beautiful rock, and thought that I'll be safe now. Now the sound was made by Mimi the cat, the Mimi cat coming down the street and saw Toto that it was a rock, a beautiful rock. Mimi liked the rock very much, so she picked up and took along with her and she placed in her garden. Then Toto went inside her home. After that, Toto thought that it's time to stop being a rock. Then Toto crawled away into Binny Bunny's garden. After some time, Mimi, the cat, came out and observed that there was no rock in her garden. So she yelled out that my rock, who took away my pretty rock? By hearing the sounds, Binny, she came out very fastly and asked, what happened, Minnie? Then Minnie said that I got a rock. It was so beautiful that I placed in my garden, but now it was not there. Then Minnie saw the beautiful rock in Binnie's garden. Then Minnie asked Binnie that what happened, why you have taken my beautiful rock? But Binnie was very surprised and she said that no, I have not taken your rock. But Minnie showed the rock in the Binnie's garden. Then Binnie observed that the rock is walking away. The rock is what? Here Toto was the rock. So Toto was walking away. So she looked at and said to Minnie that see that's the rock is walking. It's a walking rock. Minnie also looked at Toto, the walking rock. So Mimi shouted that come on, catch that walking rock. Now back of Toto, Binnie and Minnie started running. They chased Toto. But Toto reached the pond very soon and in a flash drowned into the water. Then Toto went back to his home and met his mother. So mother asked, did you have a good walk? Then Toto said that yes mama, I had a very very nice walk and I have remembered your words and I have learned when to be a rock. Then mother patted and said that clever Toto. So that is about the lesson, time to be a rock. Children, now I'll show you the video of the lesson. Watch the video and understand the lesson clearly, children.
Time to be a rock. Toto was a baby turtle. He lived in a pond with his mother and father. One day, Toto felt like going for a walk.
Mama, may I go see what it is like outside the pond?
All right, but remember what I taught you. If you hear any scary sound, it is time to be a rock. You will be safe then.
I will, Mama.
Toto came out of the pond and walked down the street. Soon he heard a scary sound. Pitter pat, pitter pat. Someone was coming. Toto pulled his head into his shell. He stood very still.
I'll be safe now.
It was Mimi Cat coming down the street. She saw Toto. To her, Toto looked like a rock.
Oh, what a pretty rock. I'll take it home.
She picked him up and took him home. Mimi put Toto in the garden and walked into her house.
Time to stop being a rock.
Thought Toto. He crawled away into Binny Bunny's garden. After some time, Mimi went out, and what did she see? No rock!
My rock.
Mimi yelled.
Who took away my pretty rock?
Toto heard Mimi.
Time to be a rock.
He thought he stood still. Binny heard Mimi and came running out.
What's wrong, Mimi?
I found a pretty rock. Someone stole my rock.
Then she saw Toto in Binny's garden.
You took my pretty rock.
I didn't.
Toto thought,
Time to stop being a rock.
and he crawled away very fast. Binny saw Toto walking away.
Oh, look! It's walking! It's a walking rock!
A walking rock, Binny. Catch the walking rock.
Binny and Mimi ran after Toto, but they couldn't catch him. Toto had reached the pond. Splash! He swam away.
Did you have a nice walk?
Yes, Mama, I had a very nice walk. And I remembered when it was time to be a rock.
Clever, Toto.
Okay, that is the video of the lesson Time to be a Rock. Hope you all enjoyed the story, children. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's year homework, read lesson 13, Time to be a Rock. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.